Zone channels code the position of static objects in the video. For example, it could code the position of odors to be sniffed. The coded data can later be exported as raw data or summarized. For example, it can export the area of the zone or the duration the animal was in the zone, if coded. Much of the channel management for zone channels is the same as for event channels. Please see the event channel guide. However, unlike event channels, zone channels are added by drawing them. The draw zone first enable showing the zones. Then, enable editing the zones. The type of zone created is controlled by the zone mode selected. The default is freeform. The draw a freeform polygon. Drag the mouse over the area to enclose. The draw a more precise polygon. Place polygon vertices by pressing the mouse on each point. To finish, double-click the mouse. The zone can be edited by slow pressing a vertex and dragging it. The overall zone can be dragged, when not editing it, by dragging the first point. The draw an ellipse. Drop the ellipse center with the mouse. Then, edit it by dragging the points on the radius. The draw a circle. Drop the circle center with the mouse. Then, edit it by dragging the point on the radius. To place a single point. Drop the point with the mouse. It can be edited by dragging the point. The zones can be hidden or shown by toggling the display button. To either show them or hide them,